What's up, guys? I'm CJ.
And I'm Chelsea.
And we are
Ink Love. So, today, well, first of all, what's up, you guys? We're back with another lit video. Okay, so today we will be trying all sorts of cereals.
Cereal.
It's so...
What? We got 2, 4, 6, 8. We got 9 different kinds. We kind of just grabbed whatever the store had. So
yeah.
Yeah. So we'll be trying them out. We'll try them while they dry. Then we'll try them with some milk and give you guys a good review.
Exactly.
And we're gonna pick a favorite, right?
Yeah, we're gonna pick a favorite, but
a few of them I already had for sure.
Definitely.
But a few of them are new, so I haven't had them.
Yeah. So we're gonna tell you what we got. So we have Cheerios, the Honey Nut Cheerios, the Lucky Charms, the Reeses Puffs, the Fruit Loops, and what is this? Crunch Berries, Captain Crunch.
Berries.
And these are the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Fruit Loops.
We got some Frosted Flakes.
Same thing? Oh, we got 2 fruit. Oh no, this is Fruit Loops with marshmallows.
And this is regular.
And that's regular Fruit Loops.
Then we got Fruit Loops with marshmallows.
Oh yeah.
I love Fruit Loops too.
Smells so good.
Let's see how we're gonna do this
here. It's the marshmallows for me. I don't want a lot.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try mine dry. Let me see what's up. I got little marshmallows in it too. Little marshmallows.
I caught it.
It was good, dry.
Yeah, it's good.
Regular Fruit Loops
for a snack, dry. Cause the marshmallows is a blessing.
Got some good old 2% reduced fat.
Why you put that little bit in there? Uh-oh. Dang. Okay. To me,
so good.
It's
good, but it's a little bit too sweet.
What?
Yeah. The marshmallows made it a little bit too sweet. So, okay. I got the Captain Crunch.
Finally open.
Finally open.
Okay. So. I'm not putting a lot in here.
See what we got here. If you like Captain Crunch or the Reese's cereal, like, comment in the comment section. We will be checking out the comments tonight after we post it. So let us know. Let us know. This is one of my childhood favorites. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, 10 out of 10. What you think about yours?
I don't like that.
You don't like it?
No, you could try it.
Let's see what these Reese's talking about.
No. Ugh.
She's tripping.
I ain't tripping.
These two are good.
Nasty. I don't see how people eat this.
Them two are good.
No. Cinnamon toast, nasty. Reese's Puff, who made this? Like, I don't even like it. The Captain Crunch, Crush Berry, and the Apple Jack.
Good old Apple Jack.
Yeah. So, let's see how this goes. Oh, they stink.
These don't smell good.
Ooh.
I love those though.
You like all the weird cereal. All this weird cereal. These normal.
These some cool little bags too. It got like 4 or 5 servings in it. Oh no, about 3 servings in it, but it's only $1.
Alright, let's try these. The milk wastes all on me and then my pants are sticky.
Apple Jacks, all my Apple Jacks fans, I need y'all to hit the subscribe button, comment down below, let us know what you like and what y'all want us to try next.
And that goes for the Captain Crunch fans too. Even though I'm not a fan. These aren't bad, but I wouldn't eat them.
Apple Jacks is good.
I wouldn't eat those.
You wouldn't eat these?
They're okay, but I wouldn't eat them.
Captain Crunch, I know this shit. I know this stuff gonna be good.
I like Apple Jack, so.
So,
Really?
every bite reminds me of 4th grade or 5th grade.
I like the Apple Jack. I don't really like Captain Crunch,
It's too sweet though.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and Reese's Puffs. No, I can't do it. I can do this, but not.
I like
really.
cereal, Frosted Flakes.
gonna
Is. Like, everybody know what Frosted Flakes is. I'm a 90s baby. Everybody know what Frosted Flakes is.
Okay, so I'ma do the Lucky Charms, and let's see how they taste.
They stink.
They stink.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Kellogg's, General Mills. If you any brand we did, y'all hit us up.
Uh-oh.
Let me get some of that milk. Some of that milk. That milk. Frosted Flakes. What you got for me? Way too
See, this is what I be talking about. Like, the Fruit Loops and the marshmallows come together great, but it's just like the regular cereal with the marshmallows. It's like marshmallow, and it's like, ugh.
Alright,
But I do like Lucky Charms though, so.
I don't like that.
You don't like Frosted Flakes?
Not no more. But Lucky Charms, I might like these.
What's going on with these Frosted Flakes?
They crunchy as hell.
But I grew up on Frosted Flakes. Even the ones that didn't have the frosting on it.
You had to put sugar on it.
Yeah.
Oh,
my grandma
God.
used to make me put sugar on mine and water when we didn't have no milk. But this is okay. I can tolerate this.
These are good too.
It's just plain. The cereal's plain.
Yeah, they need better, like, yeah.
That's why I say the Fruit Loops taste good with it, because it's like,
flavor with it.
yeah.
Going for the marshmallows, Lucky Charms would be dead.
Right. It tastes like, it really tastes like Cheerios.
Yeah.
Cheerios with marshmallow.
I was just thinking that too.
Don't it?
Yeah.
So I give the Frosty Flakes the normal, I'll say 6, because that's normal. And then the Lucky Charms, about the same.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Can't complain.
Okay. So what we got?
The last two. These the last two.
Last two.
So we got Honey Nut Cheerios with real honey. Healthy stuff. Keep your heart. Low cholesterol. These are good.
And we got the regular Fruit Loops. No marshmallows.
I like those.
What's the difference?
The marshmallows made it too sweet.
No, I can't.
Fruit Loops is sweet by themselves.
If y'all could only see the mess on this table.
Oh, these are gonna be good. Anybody out there battling low cholesterol or trying to lower your cholesterol? It's good for your cholesterol.
Listen.
I kind of grew up off these too.
Fruit Loops so good, make you want to slap your boyfriend. Wow. I'm just playing.
What's wrong with them?
These are good, though.
I wouldn't buy these though.
You just said it was good.
But
How are you throwing that milk everywhere? Uh-oh.
if I could,
My bad.
what?
Oh, nothing.
What'd you do?
Nothing. Just eat it.
You spit one out.
Mm-mm. I don't like that. That threw off the whole taste. Stirring it like that.
They good, but they plain. I
don't like that. The Cheerios I don't like. And you wanna know why I don't like them? It's because I always add sugar to mine. I add sugar to mine, so them tasting like that, I don't like it. Too plain.
These two plain now because
The marshmallows was busting
show
on
them
me.
down. Them shit was good. Those make these taste plain.
With the marshmallows. They are busting. When I say busting, I mean busting. They're
So
right
out of
there.
all 9 of them, if I had to choose one, if you had to choose one, which will be your one?
Which will be my one?
Mhm.
The one I would choose has to be this one.
The Fruit Loops with the marshmallows?
Yeah. For sure.
So give me them Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Because
You are
that's
consistent.
So this is my choice right here.
That's nasty.
All my fellas and ladies, if y'all agree, comment, like, subscribe. We got a lot of more shit coming. A lot of more videos coming for y'all. Excuse my mouth, y'all.
And if you like marshmallows with your Fruit Loops, like, comment, and subscribe. And also hit that notification bell. So we...
Well, make sure you subscribe. And what that say?
And hit that notification bell so you can know when we have new videos coming. And let us know what you would like to see next. And we're out this thing. Yeah.